Want to run some powerful air tools? The Blackridge 2.5 horsepower compressor will do that and more. On top of the usual inflation of car tyres, sporting equipment and being able to run light-duty air tools, such as a stapler or airbrush, this high-powered unit will easily run most impact wrenches, nail guns and even low-pressure paint guns. The powerful direct drive motor fills the 30-litre tank to 115 psi, which can be set as low as 1 psi across the two outlets simply by twisting the regulator knob. Two pressure gauges allow you to keep an eye on tank and outlet pressures separately, and a safety relief valve ensures nothing runs over pressure if the automatic cutoff should fail. Oil splash lubrication helps your compressor run a quiet 80 decibels at 5 meters and helps to keep it cool with a 75% duty cycle. This means that for every 45 minutes running, your compressor needs only 15 minutes rest. If you wish to run this compressor away from mains power, you'll need a generator with 3,500 watt pure sine output. The Blackridge 2.5 horsepower compressor is an excellent all-rounder. Arm your workshop with one today.